Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Tekken 8 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account if you haven't done so already, using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page, from which you can click on the search box at the top and just type in Tekken 8 and start your search. Once you find the Tekken 8 game, go ahead and click on it, and this will take you into the game page right away. Just scroll down and you will see the Add to Cart button. Go ahead and click on either one of these alongside the version or edition that you want to purchase, and now you can click on View My Cart in order to continue to making your payment. You may then choose from PayPal or your credit or debit cards and provide your credentials to continue and finalize your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library and you can simply tap on the install button in order to install the game. Once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying the game from your library right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Tekken 8 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.